Welcome to Fuita Smart Widgets White Label series. In this video, we're going to set up a custom storage for unlimited storage space. In Fuita White Label's documentation, we walk through integrating AWS S3 into our dashboard. In this video, we're going to see step by step how to integrate Cloudflare R2 storage. First, we need to visit the settings page in our White Label dashboard to take a look at the fields needed to set up the storage. As you can see here, we need to fetch the region, endpoint, access key, secret key, the public domain associated to the storage, and finally the bucket name. To fetch those properties, we need to head down to Cloudflare and then visit the R2 space. Now we just need to click on Create Bucket. This will allow us to specify the name of the bucket. So let's go ahead and name it PopEmbed Bucket, and then click on Create Bucket to save it. After the bucket has been created, we should be able to access its settings. So let's click on Settings and copy some values. We will copy the name, then go to Fuita Storage Settings and paste it into the appropriate field. Then we go back to copy the region. This value is between parentheses under the location property. Let's go ahead and copy and paste that to our storage settings page in Fuita. Now, to get the endpoint, we need to get the domain under the S3 API section, only the domain without the HTTPS prefix and the path, as you can see on the selected part of this value. We copy that and paste it to the endpoint field on our storage settings. The next step is to get the public domain. To do that, we need to associate our custom domain with our bucket first. For this to work, we need to get back to the settings and click on Connect Domain button. This will prompt us with the input of a custom domain or subdomain. We can insert a new subdomain here called cdn.popembed.com and we hit Continue. You will need to insert your custom subdomain here. If the domain DNS is linked with Cloudflare, the next phase will be very easy, as we only need to confirm that we are asking Cloudflare to create the subdomain for us and link it to the bucket. If the domain DNS is not in Cloudflare, you will need to follow a few extra steps to link your domain. After linking the subdomain, we just need to paste it to our public domain field in our storage settings in Fuita. Now we only need to get the access key and secret key, but before we do that, we need to add a small setting to our bucket called CORS Policy. In Cloudflare, go to CORS Policy section and click on Edit CORS Policy, then insert this code. I'm just going to paste the code here, but you can find this on our White Label documentation page. You can also pause the video and type the code if you like. Now we hit Save, then continue to get the access and secret keys. To get the required keys, we need to get back to R2 main page. Then on the top right corner, we need to click on Manage R2 API Tokens. Once we enter that page, we need to click on Create API Token. Choose the name of the token, let's call it R2 PopEmbed Token. Then we select Object Read and Write. And finally, select Apply to Specific Buckets Only and select our bucket. Now we just need to click on Create API Token, and this will generate the tokens we are missing in our storage settings. As you can see here, we are now able to copy the access key ID, go back to our storage settings in Fuita, and paste it. Get back to take the secret access key and paste it. You just need to note that the keys will be shown only once, so you will need to create a new token if you lose the keys. We have now completed the steps. We just click on Save Storage Settings. If everything is set properly, we will see a green indicator here saying Connected. If you are not able to see Connected after saving, that means something went wrong with your settings, and you might need to check what went wrong. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one.